In this tutorial, we'll learn how to straighten a bent disc brake rotor.
For this job, you will need a zip tie and wire cutters, and a disc truing tool or an adjustable wrench for straightening the disc. The first step is to fasten a zip tie around the frame or fork and cut the end about 1 centimeter away so that it lines up close to the disc. Position the cut end of the zip tie close to the disc so you can use it as a makeshift gauge and easily tell where and by how much the disc is bent. Using your truing tool or adjustable wrench, carefully bend the disc a little bit at a time. Be careful not to bend it too much either way. Rotate the disc to check for true, and then repeat as needed until the disc is as straight as possible. You likely won't be able to get the disc perfectly straight, but using this method it should still be rideable. If the disc is too bent, it'll need replacing.